First of all, factorization have different types. Like you can make different types of questions whenever you have a question and you want to factorize the question. First of all, try to take like term common from the whole expression. Okay, there is an expression and you take the like term common from the whole expression, then this is known as factorization. For example, this one, I will take 3 common and inside x plus 2y plus 6z. Similarly, this one, x common, and inside we have these all terms. Similarly, these are the terms, and we can take AB square common, and inside we have this one. This is the first type of factorization in which we will take common from the whole expression. For example, this is a whole expression, and 3 is common. And type 2 questions, first of all, you can observe that in the whole expression, no number is common, no term is common. In that case, you can make 2 pair. I mean, first 2 different pair, second 2 different pair. And the common in the first 2 is x, and the common in the second 2 is 2. When you take the common x from first 2 and 2 from the second 2, then you can observe in the first expression x plus 3, and in the second expression also x plus 3. So x plus 3 and x plus 3 is the same factor that is available in the first term, and also it is available in the second term. So when it is available in the both terms, we can take common x plus 3. And when we take x plus 3 common, inside we have in the first term x, and in the second term 2. It will be the answer. Similarly here, for this question, these are like 2 terms, and you can take x square y common from here, and in the next 2 terms, z square is common. After that, you can observe in the first term and in the second term, 1 plus xy square common. Inside you have x square y plus z square, this one. Similarly here, like here, x is common from first 2, x minus 8, then plus 3 common, x minus 8 inside, x minus 8 outside common, inside we have x plus 3. So this one is the answer after making 2 pair. Okay. C type 1, type 2. In the examination hall, in the exams, examiner never says is a type 1 question, is a type 2 question. You always judge yourself. I mean, see the question. If you can take common from the whole expression, is a type 1. If you can make 2 pairs, definitely if you want to make 2 pairs, it has 4 terms. It has 4 terms. And it is very easy that no term is common, no value is common from the whole relation. Then I try to take common from first 2 and the last 2. Next one is the next formula, that is a square minus b square. Sometimes you have the question into 2 numbers form, and the both numbers can be written in the square form. Between them you have the minus sign. Then you will write both numbers without the square, 1 time addition, 1 time subtraction, by using this formula, a square minus b square. It will be a plus b, a minus b. Similarly, m square minus n square, it is m plus n, m minus n. A square minus 64, a square minus 8 square, it will be a plus 8, a minus 8. But these questions always try to take first of all common. And now you can see that in this part, you can take 8 common. When I take 8 common, inside we have a square minus 4b square. And now it can be written like a square. It can be written like a b square. So a square minus b square, it will be a plus 2b, a minus 2b. Okay, simple. It's a type number 3 of factorization. I just see these three types, revise these three types. And if you have any question, you can ask, but revise it 2 to 3 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Then I start the type number 4.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Now type 4. So type 4 is like it's a quadratic equation. You have x square form. I mean this power. If you apply square on this number, this variable, you will get this one. It's x power 1, it's x power 2. I mean it's a double of this variable. This one is known as mid quadratic equation. And it has 3 terms. So you make it 4 terms. After making it 4 terms, you apply 2 to pair method. First two x common, next two common, and you can solve it. But first of all, you apply midterm breaking of the middle term. I mean, you make the pair. It's first pair, it's second pair. And I think that is included in your syllabus. Factorizing by grouping in pairs. Grouping in pairs. So grouping in pairs, that means these two pairs that we make by midterm breaking. Okay, and how you can solve it, how you can make the midterm breaking? For this purpose, you will do some side work. And side work means you will write x coefficient in the side work and the number without the x in the side work. It's the x coefficient. Write it. It's a number that is without x. If you multiply these two numbers, then it will be 6. And if in addition, then it will be 5. Okay. So if you add two numbers, then answer is 5. And if you multiply two numbers, answer should be 6. Try to find that two numbers. If you add the numbers, answer is 5. And if you add that two numbers, answer will be 6. That numbers definitely 6 comes on 6 table. But when you add, it is not 5. So these numbers are not acceptable. I will try all pairs from which I can get 6. So 3 plus 2 and 3 multiply 2 and 3 plus 2. Yes, this pair is acceptable. And also one thing more that 6 has positive sign. So that's the reason I try to add two numbers. If 6 is negative sign, 6 have negative sign, then I try to subtract two numbers. Always multiplicative number decide that two numbers will be add or two numbers will be subtract. Anyway, I write 5 here without the x. So these numbers also have the x when you write it on the workboard. 6 as it is, x square as it is, write x with 3 and 2, and then make two pair and solve. Other steps are easy. It's like two pair, like x common, two pair make separate, and you find the x square. Similarly, these question, they are different question that I solved last time. Anyway, I am going to book questions now. You can observe these type of questions after the class. And here one thing more again, I am saying you multiplicative number is so much important. If multiplicative number has the negative sign, I think to find two numbers that subtract and we get the what. So now 56. 56 comes on which table? Haider, tell me 56.
56. 2.
Yes, 2, 25, 23. But 2 and 23 cannot give you 1. 23 minus 2 is 21. So this pair is reject. And now find more.
7.
Yes. 8 multiply 7, add 8 into 7. And if you write 7 into 8, that also accurate. But in that case, I think it will be -1. And you want to get +1. This type of problem that you are getting -1, but you want to get the +1, just change the sign. Positive become negative, negative become positive. Positive become negative, negative become positive. In this way, my sign problem also solved. Okay. -7x minus 56 is equal to x common, x plus 8 minus 7 common, x plus 8 is equal to 6. Now there are two factors. My first factor, it's my second factor. And in the both factors, you can observe x plus 8 is common. So I will take x plus 8 common. and inside I have x minus 7. Now further, x plus 8 is equal to 0, x minus 7 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 8, and x is equal to 7. This is the answer. Okay. Now further, next. Now 2y square multiply inside 2xy square 2 to the 4, 4y square minus 3x minus 6. First of all, I open the brackets. Oh, no, 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 no. I think don't open the bracket because if you observe x plus 2 and x plus 2 is a similar already. So you can take common x plus 2 and inside you have this one. It's my factorization. Okay. Already it's making 2 to pair. When it's already making 2 to pair, no need to open the bracket, just take common and write the answer. For example, for f part, if we want to solve the f part, we can do it easily. It's my first pair. In the first pair, xc minus 2, and in the next pair, c minus 2, common. So take c minus 2 common, 6a square b minus 4. This one is the answer. Okay. And similarly, next one for k part, it's for first one, it's for second one. 4m plus 7 common, inside 3m minus 2 minus 2m minus 2. I write minus inside. And now 4m plus 7 as it is. Inside 3m minus 2m, it will be m minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
And I am trying one more question. For example, like this one. iPod. What I can take common from here, because if you observe the all pairs, in the all pairs, x square minus 7. But there is also one problem that we have here 7 minus x square. In the last, we have x square minus 7. Sign problem. So first of all, we will solve this sign problem. I mean, make the same pair. For this one, I will take minus common from these two terms. When I take the minus common, 7 become positive from negative and x square become negative from positive. And this minus right outside. My main purpose is complete. I make the same pair in all terms. And what is the same pair? That is 7 minus x square. Write it common. 4 minus 2y minus 5. And further now, I will solve the terms that can be solved. It will be minus 1. Minus 2y. It is answer. Okay.
Okay.
Now, I think it's minus 8. Okay. It's minus 8. I am giving you some questions. Solve this one, and Okay. These solve these three questions and tell me the answer.
Okay.
Then I start. Ajay, did you solve the question number F part?
Yes.
What is the answer of F part?
2b bracket c minus 2 bracket 3a to the power of 2 minus 2.
Okay. Solve H part also.
G bracket g plus h bracket 2f plus g plus h.
Okay. Accurate. Okay. Solve the last part. And then I think I did not take the common in this part. I forgot to take the common. We can take common here to B. And inside we have 3a minus 2. Right? Okay. Solve the last part. And then I go on the next portion.
Bracket 8 minus c to the power of 2 bracket 7 minus 5d.
Why 7? 7 is wrong. If you take 8 minus 3 square common, inside you have 8 minus 5b minus 4. So these two can be solved, but it's not 7. It will be minus 1 because minus plus minus and 4 minus 3 is 1. And you write the sign of greater term. Okay. We will write the sign of greater term. Clear?
Yes.
Be careful. And now I am going to start the next type of questions. Okay. But these are all same question, right? But I am solving especially last three parts, and remaining you can solve yourself. First of all, for G part, it's so easy. You can take m plus n common, and inside we have a minus b, right? Here it's x plus 3 and it's minus x minus 3. I want to make the similar terms. To make the similar terms, I will take minus common. You can write here minus 1, and inside we have x plus 3. Now take x plus 3 common from first term as well as from the second term. So in the first term, we have x, and in the second term, we have minus 1. So this one is the answer, okay? Similarly, 2x, x minus 2, and from these two terms, I will write the minus 1 common. It's minus x, it's become plus x. It's plus 2, it's become minus 2. Okay? Like see here, it's x minus 2, there is no x minus 2. I take minus 1 common, then the signs are changed. And now you can take common x minus 2. Inside we have 2x minus 1. That is the answer. Okay. See these parts. Any problem?
No.
Okay. Then I think other parts of this page is easy. Uh, like here, b plus 4 common, b plus c common, x plus 2 common. So I am going to on the next parts. Next part also similar like d part, x minus 2 common. Inside I have x minus 2 and in the second term minus 6. So x minus 2 and x minus 8. It is answer. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly now, like this part, x plus 2 common. Inside I have x plus 2 minus x plus 1. Okay. So x plus 2 common, x plus 2 minus x minus 1. And this time x cancel. 2 minus 1 is 1 is x plus 2. You can see that is a forward relation. And this forward relation I take x plus 2 common. Inside we have 1x plus 2 and x plus 1 other. And next x cancel and we have this answer. Okay. See this question one time. I just see all question. Any problem in any question, then I solve. Otherwise, I go on the next part.
Do I solve E?
Which part?
E.
Clear?
No, do I solve E because it's highlighted?
No. I solve it. See this part.
Okay.
All questions clear here? Any problem
Yes.
here? Okay.
No.
Now the next. Similarly, we will make 2 to pair. 2 to pair. Like I take the y common and x minus 5 minus 2 common, x minus 5. X minus 5, x minus 5 common. Inside I have y minus 2. Okay. And further now, x common from these two, minus 1 common from these two, and x plus 4 common. I think these all questions also easy, right? I am solving the last one. What I can take common from here, it's my first term, it's my second term, and I can take common a minus 2 whole, a minus 2 and 3 also common. So in the first term, 3 common and a minus 2 common, so only one a minus 2 left. And here we take the 1 power common and also 3 multiplied to 6, 3 common and minus 2 left. And this one is the answer. Okay, it's clear. And now for the next. Similarly, here 2x here common, 2x here, and here we have 2x plus 1. Here 3 common, and also from here 3b cube. So only 3 3 the 9, 3a square minus 5 left. And here first term is negative. If the first term negative, we will take the negative common. Negative common is changed from the other questions. For example, If first term has the negative sign, other term has a positive sign, then you take the negative common also. We take negative common always when the first term is negative. And minus 6xy common and y plus 3x left. And now these questions. Complete the following questions. I think it just expand the brackets, right? Like here, a plus b minus a plus b is 2b answer. 2y multiplied by the whole term, then minus a multiplied the whole term. But these questions are not included in your syllabus. These questions are not included. The reason is because teacher said make two pairs of questions, right? So just give me 1 minute. I am transforming some questions here. Algebra 2 factorization 197 page. Here we have question and how you can solve these all questions. I mean, it's a which type of questions? Try to tell me the answer. As I said, how we can solve these questions. I mean, this question, how we can solve
Find the lowest common
seven common inside x plus y, right? How we can take the common, how we can solve this question in the whole question, y and x is common, right? A plus x square minus 2 yx. It is the answer, okay? Clear?
Okay. Yes. Do I do all the questions?
Uh, what you say?
Do I do all the questions?
No, these are all not in your syllabus. In the syllabus or that in the test teacher said, there is these type of questions. Make to pair, okay?
Okay.
I am transforming this book on your folder. You can get the questions from this book also. Don't worry, it's a like you have to take some practice, so you can do practice from here, okay?
Okay.
Now, next one. Here we will make the pair a square minus b square. And the previous one, this one that I want to solve now. Factorize. First of all, I am going to start question number 1. So, in question number 1, x coefficient that is 5, write it on the side. The number without x is 3. But 3 cannot write here. 3 multiplied by x square coefficient, then it becomes 6 and we write 6 here. What is the sign of 6? 6 sign is positive. So we try to find two numbers. That two number is add and we get the 5. And by multiplication, we get the 6. So which two numbers that gives a 5 by adding and 6 by multiplying. So 3 plus 2 and 3 multiply 2. Write these two numbers here with x. From these two, x common. And now 2x plus 3 is common, and inside we have x plus 1. See this question, then I start the next. After this, for example, this question, 11. I will write two numbers in the sideboard. Tell me two numbers. Which numbers I write here? Isa, tell me. Isa, what I write here? X
1.
coefficient. X coefficient. That is 7. And the second number, this number multiplied by 6 is 12. And by multiplying, you get this number. And this number is positive. So you try to add two numbers. Okay. So which two numbers which add and give the 7 and by multiplying give the 12. First of all, think about the 12. How you can get the 12 by the tables. See all tables one by one and tell me which table will apply here. 2 6 are 12. Yes, right. But when you add 2 and 6, it's not 7. So it's wrong. Okay.
1,
What?
1,
1. 1 multiplied by which number? 12. 1 plus 12 is not 7. So it is wrong again. Then 1 no, 2 no, and then 3. 3 for the 12. And if you add it plus 7. Okay.
okay.
Now 6x here plus 3x plus 4x plus 2. You can take 2 common and also x common. Inside you have only 3x plus, I think, no 2 common, 3 common. Here you have 2x minus 1. Now again 2 common, 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 common inside 3x plus 2. This is answer. See this person. Now the next one. See this person. As a which two numbers I will write in the side word? Tell me.
5 and 2 x squared.
No. First of all, x coefficient. Okay. And then, yes, then here I write which number? Tell me.
2x squared.
No. 5 multiplied by 2. Okay.
Okay.
10. And by multiply, you get this number. And multiply number is positive. So try to add two numbers. These two numbers that add and you get the 7. Yes, tell me. Try to tell the two numbers. If we add two numbers and we get the 7, and also by multiplying, we get the 10. Think only 10. 10 comes on which table and try to add that two numbers. Yes, 10 comes on which table?
2.
Yes, it's okay. 2 multiply 5, 2 plus 5 is okay.
Yes.
So write it as it is. And the middle one, 2x plus 5x. From these two terms, 2x common, x plus 1 plus 5 common, x plus 1. X plus 1 common, inside we have 2x plus 5. This is answer. Okay. Now this question number 4. Which two numbers I will write in the side word? Tell me. Yes.
11,
And also
14.
14. No. Multiply. 24. Okay.
Okay.
By multiply, you get this number. And addition, by adding, you get 11. 24 comes on which table?
2.
2 and 12 add, you cannot get the 11. So cancel these two numbers. Next, on next number, after 2 on which table?
3.
Is 3 okay?
No.
Why? 3 plus 8 is okay, I think. What's the problem with 3?
Okay.
With First of all, take the pair, 3 multiply 8, yes, is okay, and then check. Otherwise, 4 multiply 6 is also pair, it's also not accurate. So x common, 2x plus 3 plus 4 common, 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 common from the first term x and from the second term 4. Okay. Now this is. Yes, tell me which two numbers I write in the side part
9,
and also
20.
by multiply this number, multiplicator number positive, so try to add two numbers. So what now tell me the numbers. If you multiply the numbers, you get 20, and if you add the numbers, you get 9. 20 comes on which table? 2 table?
Yes.
2 10 the, but when you add it's 12, right? So 2 is more acceptable. After that 4, 5 the, and if you add these two numbers, that means this is accurate. These extreme numbers as it is, in the middle number, you will write the numbers. Here 2x common, and 5x plus 2 and plus 1 common, 5x plus 2. So from the first term and second term, we can take 5x plus 2 common, and inside we have 2x plus 1. This is the answer. Okay.
Okay.
As I try to do question number 1, 2, do all questions which has positive sign. Okay.
Okay.
Positive sign. So revise today lecture and do some homework.
Okay.
What the day today? 25.
Yes.
Revise factorization. Okay. Bye. Allah Hafiz.
Office.